Welcome to the world of FPV drone racing, where speed, precision, and adrenaline collide. As exhilarating as it is, safety is paramount in this high-octane sport. That's why today, we are diving into the importance of safety gear in FPV drone racing. First up, let's talk about goggles. These aren't your ordinary pair of shades. FPV goggles provide pilots with a real-time video feed from their drone's onboard camera, giving them a first-person view of the action, as if they were in the cockpit themselves. Not only do they enhance the racing experience, but they also shield pilots' eyes from debris and potential hazards. But what good are goggles without a helmet? In FPV racing, crashes happen, and when they do, you'll want your noggin protected. A sturdy helmet not only guards against head injuries, but also instills confidence in pilots to push their limits without fear of harm. Now, let's not forget about gloves. While they may seem like a minor accessory, they offer crucial protection for pilots' hands, especially during rough landings or when handling hot equipment. Plus, they improve grip and dexterity, giving pilots better control over their drones. Last but not least, protective clothing. From durable pants to long-sleeved shirts, the right attire can make all the difference. Not only does it shield pilots from scrapes and bruises, but it also provides an added layer of insulation against the elements, keeping them comfortable during long racing sessions. In conclusion, safety gear isn't just a recommendation, it's a necessity in FPV drone racing. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just getting started, investing in quality gear can mean the difference between a thrilling race and a trip to the emergency room. So remember, gear up,